Have you ever desired to use a system to make money automatically? If the answer is yes, then you're ready to learn about the incredible possibilities of mirror trading with ZuruTrade. In the world, there are market players, called traders, who can earn huge sums of money operating in the market. Now you have the opportunity to literally copy what they do, to buy and sell as if you were there to their side. And the great thing is that you don't have to be an expert trader like they are. In addition, you have the chance to see how they have behaved in the past and how much money they earn to understand who are the best to follow. This is exactly what happens with mirror trading. All you need is an account for trading, and the minimum amount is only $500. At this point, ZuruTrade takes action. ZuruTrade is an intermediary company which will show you the performances of thousands of these traders, called senior providers. Once you have chosen the senior providers you consider the best, ZuruTrade will replicate their operations on your account automatically, even when the computer is turned off, even while you're sleeping or working. So far, everything seems easy, and actually it is, but the senior providers to choose from are really a lot, and it's easy to run into errors of judgment caused by lack of experience. But here is where we of money building come into play. We know perfectly this new form of investment and its enormous potential. We have created 2 areas reserved for you, where you will find a real team of experts that, free of charge, will give you valuable information, will guide you in the right direction, and most important, will save you a lot of time on your journey to success. You wonder how it's possible that all this is offered for free. It's simple. By signing up through our affiliate link, ZuruTrade will waive a portion of his earnings and will turn it to us, with no additional cost for you. Now you have 2 options: to open the account directly on the ZuruTrade website and renounce to all the money building free knowledge, or to open an account through our affiliate link under the same conditions and access to the elite area and all its precious contents. But I don't want to waste any more time. Start right now to touch what I'm talking about. By simply opening a demo account, in 3 minutes you will be in the elite area, and it's all completely free. Click the button at the end of the page and a video will explain you how to easily subscribe. Bye and see you on the elite area.